Yeah, looks like we are live. Yes, we are live indeed. Nice, nice, nice. So that's good. So currently we're going to be like working on Flowlogic. It's a software which is going to be helping like students learn AI and ML in a visual way, which cause that's like the whole point of AI and ML, right? So I already have a prototype website here. I made it for my school STEM Expert, just like Flow. It's kind of bad though. Like it's way too like I got this design of what did I get it of? Figma AI, I guess. Like I did like recommended stuff, but that did not really work out very well. And now that like Superbase got took down in India recently, and then because of the data breach and stuff, I will be needing to like redo the whole thing. I mean, I don't have to, but I saw that as a good opportunity to take down this website. And then under Hack Club's Arcana Horizons program, I'm probably gonna be like getting the domain funded as well. So I don't have to just host it in Vercel or anything like that. I'll probably be moving to Cloudflare. So the because of Superbase, it's currently kind of crashing. Yeah, so Superbase got taken down. Uh, currently I already started the design. I have the PRD ready, and I'm currently working on this. So I'm already like designing it as a Gemini client because last time when I tried to integrate the AI, it did not like work out very great. I wanted to um I wanted to do something like an AI integration for like simple explanations of the graphs, which will be like completely mathematically operated though, not like uh, not they're not going to be done using AI to like prevent false answers and stuff like that. I don't want false positives in my like programs. So yeah, currently, that's what we are doing. So it declares the tool functions, it dispatches tool calls to the real like SymPy engine. We have SymPy API integrated, and we are going to be like doing that later on. We are going to be starting off with the Gemini client though, because I've already like done Gemini integrations before. One sec. Okay. So you're going to be referring to I did make a guide before. The guide was like AI generated from Gemini. So Uh, and this is not a part of the code, it's just for my reference when I like read this again. Yes. And then probably gonna be for like zero hallucination. Another main reason which I'm preventing AI from doing any calculations is to like prevent hallucinations, which I got last time. And that's the reason I took it down before the expo. That sounds good. Then the last one is Flowlogic to man. Gonna be like master PRD again. The PRT was AI generated, I have to admit that, but still. Okay, and this is for the data flow ups. Hopefully, I did not miss anything here. So first step, which I'm probably going to be like spending on like the Gemini client, and it's a Python script, obviously, because Python is like easy to integrate with AI API calls. I already do have like key here, but I'm not gonna be showing it in stream because obviously I'll get dropped. So let's start off by importing JSON, then import what logging, I guess. Just import optional for now. Um, yes, optional. Have to import Gemini now. Google. Easy integration. See, like we're gonna be like it's gonna be easy if you're gonna be using Python. Um, oh, it actually predicted what I was gonna do. That's good. Now we got the Google stuff done, and I don't like this song. Then what is Socratic system prompt? That's good. That's good. That's good. Actually, that's exactly what we needed. So first we'll be importing settings though. Uh, oh, it's in config. Yeah, I tried to import system prompts from config, so that was my bad. Uh, hmm. And to like ensure session, one thing which I was like thinking about when I was like making this PRD was how am I going to like manage the API? Because currently I only have like free version of what do I have a free version of? Google AI Studio. So it allows I think 250 like responses per minute, I think, with 2.5 flash, which is like not great, but for explaining this stuff, it's gonna be good. I'm not gonna be like, I'm gonna be using SymPy engine to like do the verifier and stuff like that anyway. So just for like a physical explanation part, I guess that's good. So again, from so well, let's make sure about like session. Not get highlighted. I'm not sure if there's anything wrong with that. Check integral, checking, uh, yes, check equivalence will also be good. Be needing that. Uh, yeah, probably only that. Okay. Lastly, from Senpai, import latex. Um, yep, it got it. Nice. That's good. That's good. So now I'm gonna be like, I already know this stuff. Like Simpa is like quite easy to use. I've learned it before. I did use it for like what did I use it for? I was learning linear algebra and I got an assignment for making a Python program to solve it. So it was just like a normal input output thing, but I did end up using SymPy to make it simpler and cheated on it. So that's good. With that experience, I'll probably be moving up. Yes. So now move on to logger now. Yes, yes, yes. Sorry. Actually, oh yeah, the case actually is sensitive. So now let's make a heading. Maybe something like oh my God. Full function declarations and okay. Minutes of public function. Okay, that's enough. Like, yep. I can directly do this, but I want it to be like a bit more organized. So, how can we actually do here? One sec, guys. Yep. Okay. So, no. Let's make a function here. Yes. This is actually okay. I think it understood the assignment. Oh yeah, it did understand the assignment. Wow. Oh shit. Okay. Function declaration. It did show a lot though. Okay. Name compute derivative. I mean, it pretty much figured out the structure well. I just have to like change the descriptions for them, I think. Like validate expression was something which I was going to be doing. And hmm, check equivalence. Is it there? Check equivalence is also there. That's good. That's good. Like that's exactly what I wanted. First one is let's start off with properties. Uh, Expression, yes. I actually define a type first here. Let me redo this again. Yes. Okay. Some declaration. And again, so actually using the function here. Got it. Nice. Description. I'm actually thinking about computer derivative of mathematical expression with respect to a variable. That would be way too simple though. Like, what about compute the mm, i- compute derivative detailed let's make it like a detailed explanation here. So when as the dimensional quotient change, then is change in the slope of a tangent at like any point of a line, correct? So I was thinking about one sec. What is viewed the nth derivative of a mathematical make it oh okay one second. Let me try you gotta be my lover to call me baby. Mm. Hey, okay. Yeah. The given variable functions it must be called um tutor is prohibited from computing okay it understood the assignment now I guess. In pros, okay. In pros, so in which way should it be like returning though? It will be returning the correct result in the form of a string and yeah, in a string in a latex. Okay. That's good. Okay. Let's just close this one for now. Okay. Latex forms. That's good. Oh, it knew I was gonna do parameters. Wonder how much data VS Code was trained on because like it understands everything which I was gonna do next. Schema. Then yeah, And then properties for now. Uh, so expression for computer derivative should be mm, thing, obviously, and then the description for this again. Wanted a description to be like written by myself. Okay, so description can be like yeah, this one is a good example. It just came into my mind. That's good. And then for the second one, into cos x. Give it one more. The easiest one, obviously. Uh, p x. Yeah. Hmm. That. I'm gonna be deleting these actually. That's gonna be showing like a few errors here. Let's remove this. Okay, it's all fine again. It's kind of getting hard for me to keep track of what these brackets are for. This one got completed here. This one is also over, and this one is also over. Okay. Then here also, like this one was for this. So that one is there. Okay. This one is. Then what is this doing here? Okay, okay, got it now. So these two will always be staying there. Mm, just move this one here then. Yes, okay. Now that's a bit more easier to understand. So parameters for this have been done. Now going to the variable. Yeah. Okay, looks like I am getting into an error. Uh, I have to delete one of these. Uh, looks perfectly fine. Pretty sure I did not miss a bracket here. What is this being accounted for? Just for that? Very well, then you can go here. Yep, type. Type is equal to types dot type dot integer. Okay. Yep, that would make sense. And description for this, what can it be? This is a bit complex. We don't need that much. Like order of differentiation, default one. All of them. Okay. Basically, this should be gone. Uh, that is our parameters. Probably gonna put this after this. What is this one for? Yeah. we should probably be going to check equivalence. We completed compute derivative. Maybe we can go to compute integral. I prefer check equivalence first. Um, I don't like this person. I mean, like this song. This is a good song. I like discovered it today, and it sounds good. Not Namme. It's this name. Yes. Yep. Description for this. I have to verify the correctness. I think I go with this description though. Hmm. Yeah. I'll write them myself. I don't trust this AI tool. The object. Why am I getting the error? This was not closed. Let me redo this. What's the issue here? என்னடா இது? This was not closed. Who says that? Your report today. What is this for? Literally in the same thing, man. Okay, this is closed properly. Now for this also it is closed. Or uh, டேய் டேய் போங்கடா டேய். Let me go back to a few decisions ago. It's not getting this error till a few seconds ago actually. Why am I getting it now? Okay. I don't care. Ah, Goa. It's like this will have to go back. இது ஒரு கமா போட்டுடலாமா? ஓகே, அது போச்சு. இப்போ பாராமீட்டர் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணா ஒர்க் ஆகும். Parameters. Type start type. Okay. Yo, chill with all that error. என்னடா இது? No proper errors, no. Bad guys. What's this? I'm gonna go to Tamil songs at this point. Question 1, the reference. Stop. Uh, uh, no. Question 2. The type. Here. Perfect. Now, uh, oh no, I'll be back in just a second. Uh, Function declaration. Compute integral करना बोलना compute difference definite or definite integral. Okay, compute the indefinite or the definite integral. Okay, did I get pinged? Yeah, must be call for any uh, seeing my streamer. Done, done, done. Okay. Screen call for any integration, probably. Tutor cannot integrate and okay. Definite integrals, power of lower bound and upper bound. Okay, supply the power of lower bound and upper bound. Supply lower bound and upper bound. Yeah, one sec, what? Almost been an hour. Okay, that's good. Yes. So now parameters. What were we in again? We are in compute integrals, right? So parameters should be in schema only. Um, but it's like okay till here actually. Yeah, what is wrong here? Like it is good till here. Was that for computer derivative? When we put the parameters up, we put the type and then the properties, correct? Properties was the expression variable and the order for compute derivative, and here the expression 1 and expression 2. For this one, we'll probably be needing expression, variable, the lower and upper bounds, and so yeah, AI is kind of wrong in one point because we do have to add a variable as well. Uh, this is why you have to like one second. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be. Okay. Brokers. Brokers. Okay. So returning back to this, let me change the music. This is a bit too loud for my liking. Oh, we are coming out of the Tamil songs. See. Compute integral. Yeah, name has been done. Parameters. Properties.
Excuse me.
thing here is a string. So let me just it looks like we are getting errors here. Till where are we getting it? Getting it even here, huh? What? Man, seriously? Okay, do it. அதுக்கா அதுக்கப்புறம் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி சொல்லி I'm putting required இதுங்க இது அங்க மேல போகுது அப்புறம் why the fuck is it going there already? Oh yeah, I'm removing all of this. Okay, this one is for this okay, இதை முடிச்சிடலாம். Expression அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன வரும்? இதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன வரும்? ஓகே, இது ஒன்று. பர்ஃபெக்ட். Oh no, please, no more Tamil music. So, so, yeah, okay. Expression, description is equal to the Sorry, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. What's this? Um, yep. one we will only need expression, I guess. So expression here is sample x into 2 plus sin x. Okay, done. Now that has been completely like closed off. So we have completely like done the tool function declarations. We are making good progress for like just 1.5 hour of like code. Started streaming like 1 hour 15 minutes ago as well. So like it's quite good progress for this, I would say.
Hmm.
So now after that, probably the tool dispatch. Um, Client implementation will be done later because I don't want to do it on stream. Tool dispatch is more than enough, man. So now you have to. That was probably the logic which I was gonna use. Hmm. I should have like accept exception as E and stuff. It does. Yep. Let's start with defining the dispatch call. There, and then so now I have to give a proper like prompt, and this is gonna be like used 1,000 times. I better not mess this up. So let's say something like ah, my fingers actually hurt because I've been using the mouse all day. And this mouse isn't that good actually. Yeah, it hurts. I'll be back when my hand is okay.